WMC, here is the video to randomize our list for today's Brewers Reds $25 to $30 bobble value game. Oops, spelled value wrong. There we go. We'll check the time, June 30th at 2:55 p.m. We're going to go over to Raffle, whatever you want to call us, type live. We have June 30th at 2:55 p.m. There's the list of our 9 entries. We're just going to randomize this list, and then I'm not even sure how this works. I'm going to randomize the list, and then... Is it... Okay, scores, hits, errors. Okay, sorry about that. So, we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That'll work 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, June 30th, 2:56 p.m. That's it, guys. Good luck.